In part 3 of this series, we'll continue answering the last question shown here. A vineyard has 145 acres of Chardonnay grapes. A particular soil supplement requires 5.50 grams for every square meter of vineyard. How many kilograms of the soil supplement are required for the entire vineyard? So we're being asked to find out how many kilograms of a soil supplement are required for the entire vineyard. We've been told that the vineyard is 145 acres. That's a measure of area. So 145 acres can be converted to kilometers squared using the following conversion factor. And we've been told that a particular soil supplement requires 5.50 grams for every square meter. So our goal here is to convert 145 acres to kilometers squared, and then convert kilometers squared into meters squared. Then I can multiply by this rate. So 145 times, we have to convert this into a fraction. We'll put acres at the bottom, 247 acres over 1 kilometer squared. Our final answer here needs to have 3 significant figures. Notice that this and this will cancel out. 145 divided by 247 gives us 0.5870. 0.5870. Adding an extra 0 would mean a 4th significant figure. So we have kilometers squared. Now we need to convert this into meters squared. The conversion ratio between meters and kilometers is not given, but it is 1,000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. Squaring both sides, we end up with the conversion ratio, leaving us with 1,000 to the power of 2 m squared is equal to 1 kilometer squared. So I'll take this number now, 0.587 kilometers squared, multiply it by this conversion factor where I have kilometers at the bottom. That way the kilometers squared will cancel out, and we have 1,000 to the power of 2 meters squared. These two cancel out, and we're left with a number that's strictly in meters squared. We'll take this product and then multiply it by the following, and that will give us the amount of grams, which we will then convert into kilograms. 0.587 times 1,000 to the power of 2, which is technically a million, that gives us 587,000. 587,000 meters squared. This is 3 significant figures, so is that. We'll take this number now and multiply it by this rate. This will cancel out. Our final answer needs to have 3 significant figures because both have 3 significant figures. This number times 5.50 gives us the following: 322,8500 grams. This has to have 3 significant figures, so I'll put a dot right there. And now I need to convert from grams. 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. So I'll multiply this number by 1 kilogram over 1,000. The grams will cancel out. So I'll divide this number now by 1,000 because this number times 1 divided by 1,000 is the same thing. That gives us 3228.5. 3228.5 kilograms, and representing this in scientific notation, we get 3.23. That 8 is greater than 5. That makes this 2 into a 3 times 10 to the power of 3. Notice that I put this in scientific notation because there's no other way of representing it without placing it in scientific notation. So we have 3 significant figures here, and that's our final answer. So there you have it. That is how to convert from one unit to another involving raised powers.